Do you want to feel happy, connect with your inner power, and feel confident? Well, let's do these 10 yoga moves that will get you up and ready for the day. Are you tired of doing the same thing every day, in and out, going into your dead-end job? It's taking energy from you. Even your business, if you're in business and you're working the business yourself, sometimes that can be tiresome, just getting up and doing the same routine. But these 10 yoga moves will help you feel that inner power. It'll help you feel confident about your day. It'll give you a sense of happiness, not only on the outside, but also on the inside. We need that inner happiness, that inner just confident about life. I remember when I did my first yoga class. It was about 15 years ago. And I also made a special connection that day. Anyway, yoga, there are so many forms of yoga. And these 10 yoga moves that I'm speaking of today, these are power moves that's going to give you that confidence that you need. So anyway, I have some notes. I'm going to get down on this mat and we're going to do these 10 yoga moves. And I might also have some bonuses. Let's do some yoga. Okay. I put on my waist trainer because I'm using this moment to do an exercise. I'm going to consider this as my exercise for today. So I put on my I put on my waist trainer because I'm going to use this as an exercise. But these yoga moves or power moves that are going to get you started on your day. So the first one that I'm going to use is the mountain pose. You're going to just stand straight, and what I like to do when I'm in a mountain pose is just take in 4 deep breaths and let it go. 4 and count 4, and then I'm gonna breathe in 4 deep breaths and hold 4. Then let go 4. And I learned that from Ralph Smart. Thank you for sharing that with us because that works for me. I know when I do that I feel a lot of tension inside my muscles that I didn't know that was there. And I can also feel it like if I'm having some tension in my back, that breathing exercise just helped me really notice where the tension is. So this is very important for me when I do it. So as I'm standing here, I'm going to breathe in 4, hold 4, and release 4. One thing about yoga, you can add and take away whatever you want with your yoga moves. This is no judgment zone, so just be free and go with the feeling and be in the present moment. So I'm going to try something different and just show you what I do in my yoga moves. And I'm doing a forward bend. And it really feels good to do this. And you can feel the stretch behind your legs. Then I go back up. And the next move that I'm going to do, and this is a power pose, is I'm going to bend back. Now when you do that move, you may want to hold it for about 6 counts. So I'm going to try it again and hold it for 6 counts. And then I'm going to go into the forward bend again. Oh, that feels good. That feels good. The next move that we'll be doing is Warrior. Warrior 1. So I'm gonna just do this, and this is a very powerful move. It's this. Whenever you open your arms and you say, "Feels so good to be alive," that's what Ralph Smart says. I love to hear that. I love to say it. Feels so good to be alive, because that is so true. It do feel good to be alive. But whenever you do a pose like this is a power pose. It gives you energy. You just feel it. And I'm feeling it as I'm doing it. Woo! So anyway, we're going to start off like this, and we're going to do a nice little turn. Now I'm turning my left feet to the left, and my back feet, I'm turning it in, but it's like this, just slightly. It's not following my left feet. My right feet is not following my left feet, but it's turned in just a little bit, just like this. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm going to be talking loud so you can hear me. And we're going to go into Warrior 1 in a minute. Let me back up just a little bit. I may have some of these kind of mixed up. I'm normally just doing them, but I think that Warrior 1 is like this. This is Warrior 2. Warrior 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the powerful move. This is Warrior 1. Okay, now we're going to stretch that out just a little bit, and you stay like this. This feels good. Something. The next move that we're going to be doing is, hold on, side angle. And what a side angle is when you bend this knee, and then you come down with your arm to the ground, and you raise your, woo! And you raise your arm up and you look at it. Side angle. Nobody is perfect right here. Oh, this is fun. So the next move that we'll be doing, and let's just go into Warrior 2 as we decide what move we're gonna do next, which I have it written down. Warrior 3. And Warrior 3 is when you have this knee bent. Then the Warrior 3, yes, you go back like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Warrior 3. Then we're gonna relax. Let's go back into Warrior 2. These are power poses to get your day started. Now we're going to go into half moon. Half moon is a little challenging for some, but we're going to go and do it anyway. It's when you stand on one leg and you put one arm on the ground. So you're going to put your one arm on the ground and you're going to lift this leg up. And then you're going to straighten out this arm. And this is half moon. Ooh, that feels so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I love about yoga that it's challenging. You get a chance to really challenge your body with these movements. So just be free and just move. So the next move that we're going to be doing is lunge. So I'm still in this position where this is like at an angle. Then I'm going to bend this knee. Then I am going to come back a little bit. And I'm going to take both of these arms like this. And this is a lunge. Now that stretch feels good. I feel it all in this knee right here and in this leg, in my right leg. That's good. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go into downward dog. Now, whenever I do downward dog, I like to lift my leg forward. This knee has been going through some challenges, so I'm going to challenge it a little bit and see how far I can go. Woo! That was a challenge. So I'm going to raise my next knee. I think I can raise it a little higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! I feel that. And the next, I didn't count these moves, but it's 10 moves all together. So the next move we're going to do is forward salute. Oh, so we're just gonna go back to the original pose. Oh, that feels so good. All right, now they say that if you don't have a change in your routine, you won't have a change in your life. And I really truly believe that. I tried it and it is real. So I hope today that these 10 yoga moves help you in some kind of way. This is Illuminated Light. We are sharing and shining light. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe. Remember, we are gods and goddesses creating the life that we are thinking of. Our words have power. So make sure that you're feeding yourself what you need. I had to do that along my journey, and that's what this channel is all about, is just sharing and shining light. I went through so much throughout my business, throughout my life, and I just wanted to share my story right here on YouTube and hope that it will help somebody along their journey. You can be in business for yourself or working for someone else and still not take care of yourself. So remember to love yourself more, to eat healthy, and get out and travel. You only have this life to live, so enjoy life to the best of your ability and take your children with you. Peace and love. Yamada.